Hey, here is very brief and enlightening reminder that there is nothing but God. And this God is very modest in this human experience. Nevertheless, it is still that same limitless God. So when we acknowledge our smallness of our human nature, when we acknowledge our nothingness, it opens us up to the sense of God's limitless wholeness. And by giving ourselves up to this sense, it starts more and more to work through our human experience in the most natural and wonderful way. So, this is the meaning of true humility, true modesty. Just looking deep at yourself and finding that openness, that emptiness, and that vast divine spirit which works through that emptiness and makes it into everythingness and a universal harmony within it. So-called Jesus also said that we enter into the kingdom of heaven when we become very small. When we come into our essence, and when it is clear to us that these bodies, those characters that we seemingly possess, is actually nothing without the one source, which dreams this everything. And by the way, my name, Paulius, in Latin also means small. So this is the meaning that I carry with this name, always acknowledging my human smallness, which allows me to also acknowledge the bigger self that I am as the wholeness of all that is. So keep opening up, keep surrendering with trust into the natural flow of creation, and enjoy this miraculous life.